Hi, I'm Jim Weston.
And I'm Mike Watson.
And we are New England Drone Works out of Bangor, Maine. We're here today at the 35th Annual Conference for the Harbor Masters Association, and we're here to present to them the FiFish V6.
That's right.
The new submersible drone that we have.
Yep.
And we've actually been doing some really great work with it lately, and we cannot wait to show you our video.
Absolutely.
And like I said, we are here at the 35th Annual Harbor Masters Educational Conference at the Maine Maritime Academy in beautiful Castine, Maine. We're here to showcase the FiFish V6 underwater drone. As you can see here in these beautiful videos, the FiFish V6 does record at 4K at 60 frames per second, which gives unbelievable underwater images that are just like incomparable to anything you'd ever see, even on National Geographic television. This here was taken at 40 feet depth. You can see the blackness behind it, but the 4,000 lumen lights, actually these were only set at about 2,000 lumens, so you can actually see how bright it is underneath there. This particular shot was taken in Belfast, Maine, just directly after a storm that had happened the day before. So the water was very murky, but you can tell down below in the brackish water where the seawater is concentrated on the floor that you get a better field of vision down there that's not as murky. Even further on, as we got closer to the shore, it still showed a very clear picture, and it's very, very vivid. You can tell in this starfish field just how vivid the colors are and just how clear the video actually is. This particular shot was taken underneath a bridge piling in Jonesport on a bridge going over to Beals Island. You can see the bridge supports underneath there. They go up to the piling, the big block before the pilings itself. This bridge is being replaced by CPM construction, and it's nearly completed right now. But these pilings right here are on the old bridge. These pilings were just inspected by divers the day before, but if you look at the FiFish V6 underwater right here, the video is absolutely incredible, and you see how close it gets to the H-beam right here, so you can actually see the corrosion that's on there. Now the H-beam is quite old. It's been around probably for better than 50 years as the bridge has been standing there for the longest time. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see actually what it looks like if it was out of the water, or a diagram of it. So you have an idea what you're looking at. We were well set up for the Harbor Masters conference. As you can see on the table here, we displayed everything that we had. There's Scotty, one of our business partners right there, making some literature. We want to thank the Maine Maritime Academy for the beautiful layout, and the rooms that we had down there were just absolutely fantastic. The food was wonderful. We want to thank you for watching our video.